Today, let's add WhatsApp button to your website so your customers can really, in a simple way, click on it and then open their WhatsApp app with your number already pre-filled, and maybe even the starting message saying hello. So it's really very simple for them to reach out to you. And now we have a new way to add the buttons, which are already pre-configured for you. So go to the editor, pick a place where you want to add. So after this text, I want to add WhatsApp buttons. And then you can just search for all the possible buttons we have right now. So those are the templates here, and you can just search for WhatsApp. So we have three versions. That's the green version. We have also the white version, and this kind of, let's say, rounded version. So it's already pre-configured for you. So now you have to just add your number. So click just edit here, and in here in this URL, you have to just change this to your phone number or your business number, and you can just even add the text, hello, I would like to order something, or some starting message. So it's very simple for your customers to reach out, and that's it. Pretty much, you can actually design this a bit more, tweak. For example, like if you need like additional padding between. Also, you can change the styles. As you can see, those styles are already pre-configured. So for example, you can change the color if you would like to kind of have this more unique version. But if not, feel free to just update your number and pretty much publish your website. So you can update this website. Or if you don't want to, just save it, and of course you can just preview the draft version. And then you can test this on your own device. Now we don't have the full number, but as you can see, it's already going to WhatsApp website. Unfortunately, the number is incorrect. So that's important to have the right number here. So it will start the message. So that's it. That's very simple now to add WhatsApp button. So feel free to add it on your website to your maybe footer. So you can, it's available everywhere on your page. And hope you really enjoyed this new template. See you soon.